Welcome to Make the Move Financial Solutions, where we teach you about credit, how to use credit, and most of all, how to fix credit. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I have another credit union to introduce to you. But before we get into that, let's remember you do your own research. No matter what information I give you, make sure you look into it yourself. And if it's a good fit for you, proceed forward and get your credit cards and get your loans. But let's remember, before you do anything, make sure your credit report is clean and you have a strong credit score. And I advise you to have a 720 or more for this credit union before you start with them. So before we get into it, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always going to give you good information that you don't want to miss. So let's go. The credit union that we're going to discuss today is SECU of Maryland, which stands for State Employee Credit Union of Maryland. Now, I have to admit, I did my research with SECU of Maryland, and I have to say, they're probably one of the best, largest credit unions in the country, and they have a slight edge over Navy Federal. So I know some of you are surprised that I said that, but it's the truth. They have more products and it's easier to become a member compared to Navy Federal. But there's a lot of SECUs out there, okay? There is a SECU of Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Washington State. They're not the same. They're all independently owned. So when you do your research, when you look into SECU of Maryland, just remember, they are not with PA, and they're not with NC, and they are not with WA, which is Washington. So just remember that, okay? So what are the verifications? How can you become a member with SECU? Now, some people are a member through their employer, but guess what? Membership is open to the public. You don't have to worry about being with an employer that has a partnership with SECU. All you need to do is go to SECU's website, and all you have to do is provide or give $10 to the SECU Foundation. And like that, you become a member to this great credit union. Also, make sure that you are not in check systems. What is check systems? So when you open an account with a bank and you are in the negative with the bank, automatically, if you don't fix that negative, they are going to put you in check systems. So it is a different type of credit bureau. So you want to make sure that you fix your situation with check systems before you apply with SECU. Also, they will look at your Equifax. Okay, yep, that's what they look at. So before you look into the products, just know that they're going to look at your Equifax. Make sure that you don't have a lot of inquiries, and you want to have at least a 680 or above before you apply to their products. SECU of Maryland provides a lot of products, and some of the products that they have is business line of credit, business credit cards, personal line of credit, and personal credit cards. Now, you will have to reside in Maryland to get a business line of credit or any of their business credit cards. I know some of you saying, like, really? That's not fair. Well, hey, that's their policy, but I can guarantee you this. Their personal line of credit and their personal credit cards, it's just as good as their business line of credit or business credit cards. SECU of Maryland will allow you to pre-qualify for many of their products. And when you pre-qualify, it becomes a pre-approval, which is good for 60 days. But if you apply within 30 days, it will only do a hard pull on your personal credit. So I know everybody's asking, what is a pre-approval? What is a pre-qualification? So let's remember, a pre-qualification does not guarantee that you're going to get approved. It's just basically saying that you fit the financial institution's profile, and it will allow you to feel comfortable to move forward with their application process. Now, the pre-approval is only a soft pull, okay? It's not going to be an inquiry on your credit report. But once you move forward with the application process, now it's going to be a hard pull. But this is what I like about SECU. When they do a hard pull within 30 days of that 60-day window with the pre-approval, they are only going to use one hard pull. That will allow you to look at other products. So you can select more than one, more than two, up to 3 products with one hard pull. Just like Navy Federal, they have deposit secure loans, which we call pledge loans. So this will allow you to increase and improve your credit score. So all you need to have is a certain amount of monies in your savings account, which you will put up for the loan. And once you are approved, SECU or Maryland is going to give it back to you. And what are you going to do with that money? You're going to pay down your loan so your credit utilization is low, and it's going to increase your credit score. When you go to the credit card section, you're going to see a long list of credit cards. And one of the credit cards that they have on their list is a Visa Signature credit card, which has an APR from 11.49%. There's no annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transactions. They have a cashback Visa card with more rewarding way to pay with an APR from 11.49%. They have a $150 cashback bonus with $1,000 spend in the first 90 days of an account opening. Limited time 1.99% intro APR for 12 months on balance transfers made in the first 90 days. After that, a variable APR currently 11.49% to 19.49% no balance transfer. Now they have the Reward Visa card, points with no limit and no expiration. APR from 10.99, no annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. First rate Visa card, this is their lower rate card, and their APR is really low from a 8.99%, lowest rate of any SECU Visa credit card. This is a good credit card to look into. No annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. They have a starter Visa card, which is really good for individuals that are trying to build their credit. This is really good to have because you will teach yourself how to build your credit by only using 10% of the card, which will keep your credit utilization low. So this will build your credit foundation, and your APR will be from 13.99%. This will build a credit history, whether you're beginning your career, starting a family, or reestablishing your credit. No annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. The next one is the Secured Visa card. This is another good card to have as well to build or rebuild your credit. It has an APR from 10.99%. No annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee, or no foreign transaction fee. And if you're a student, this is really good. If you are a student, you're in school right now, they do have a student Visa card to establish credit history while learning good credit habits. And this is what it's all about, financial literacy. This is a good card to have. This will help you build your credit while you're in school, and you will have an APR from 13.99%. It benefits to design specifically for students. Earn 1 reward point per purchased dollar. There is no fee, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. So let's recap. SECU of Maryland, you will have to go through a verification process, which is only a soft pull through your Equifax and also through check systems. So once you go through that, you want to make sure if you are not with an employer that has a partnership with SECU, you will have to go through the SECU Foundation and give $10 to become a member and open a savings account. Once you go through that process, now you can look through their products and you can get one of their best products. Now, what is the pros or cons, or how does it compare to Navy Federal? I would have to say that SECU has a little edge over Navy Federal only because they have more products and it's easier to be a member with SECU. So if you like what you heard and you want to hear some more, smash that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Be blessed.